Good morning, guys. Can you hear me? Okay, good. Fucking NVAX. I covered half into the close. It closed strong and now it's gapping down. What a piece of shit. I only have 20,000 shares left. I had to cover like close to 20,000 shares before the close. Super annoying with this gap down. Super annoying. Now oh, for fuck's sake, now INO is fading. What is this? No. They just can't hold them up into the open. Super annoying. Now it's red on the day. Oh. Really? Yeah, me too. Let's see, NVAX, where did they close? 83.54, also fat gap down. Oh. Well, I won't make a million now. I thought I was gonna have $1 million day, but not with these gap downs. Fuck. Unbelievably annoying. I can't believe how annoying this is. No. Okay. Fuck this shit. I shorted 50,000 shares VXRT pre-market. Quarter size. This INO is getting away from me. I lost 180k on INO yesterday. I took 2 losses on it. One midday and then one late day. Or, well, both were kind of midday, I guess. VXRT feels like it wants to go to 15. Oh, INO, no! Fuck! No! This is how a $1 million trade becomes a $500,000 trade. I rarely get pissed, but when I get pissed, I get pissed, okay? No, I'm gonna be swinging this. I'm swinging this. I'm not a day trader. Now, if this VXRT could go down as fast as INO goes down, that would be great. That would be good. I'm gonna pass on EXO. It's not as good as INO and VXRT. I guess it could work, but I don't know. I'm gonna pass on it. Okay, INO is bouncing now a little bit at least. I really hope it at least opens up green on the day. Please open up green. And NVAX too. Can we get a green open on it? Please bounce into the open. Please, please. You have 7 minutes to bounce 10% or 5%. But we'll see. Because you don't want them to open weak, you want them to open strong for a good entry. Let's see, NVAX. NVAX. Hopefully they pop out of the gate and don't take any opening range lows. Yeah, IBIO. I use center point securities. Testing. Okay. Now VXRT piece of shit is gonna stop me out. Of course it is. Okay, I took a $22,000 loss on this VXRT pre-market. Piece of shit. Okay, let it go to 15 now. I'm not in a good mood right now. Took a loss on this VXRT and INO is the one that I should be in. I was really gonna push it. Like this INO had opened up in the like low mid 30s or like mid 30s. I would have gone in insane size on it. 200,000 shares or something. But nope, not here. Alright, I'm gonna go downstairs for 2 minutes. Be right back. Okay guys, let's keep the shatter to minimum the first 30-40 minutes. I won't have any time to answer comments or questions. I'll be busy trading. So let's just keep the shatter to minimum, because I won't respond to anything first 30 to 40 minutes, probably. Probably. We are here to trade. And today there's huge opportunities, so let's focus on those. My main watches will be VXRT, INO, and NVAX. INO is probably the main watch. This is day 4. INO has data coming out. When? Do we have a date set? Yeah, I think they said late June, right? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I read it somewhere too. Yeah. Okay. Let's not do anything stupid today. Okay, shorted starter INO 50,000 shares. Oh my god, it's going straight down. NVAX 2, what the fuck? Oh, NVAX, no. Oh, NVAX is right at support here. Oh. Man, this is the worst possible open for these things. I can't believe it. Fucking shit. If they had just opened up green. Or actually, I know did open up green, but it was green for like 10 seconds. I didn't get time to short it. Fastly's, I don't know, maybe. Could be a short. I don't know. Hopefully not. NVAX is bouncing. I didn't cover into this flush, unfortunately. I probably should have covered some, but okay, whatever. VXRT is gonna be a big one. I'm locating another 50,000 shares just to be... just so I have the... Okay, I shorted another 50,000 shares of INO. I don't know if this was a good entry, but... Okay, never mind, not 50, 30,000. I'm just covering some of those ads immediately, because that was probably not a great entry. Gap stores, yeah, it is up. I don't know why it's up. I don't know if they had any news or anything. VXRT looks like it's halted. NVAX taking out lows of the day now. Man, these things are frustrating. I have like a third size on everything because of these gap downs. Not happy. IPHI, yeah, IPHI looks pretty decent. It's not a 5-star setup, but it looks pretty decent. It does look pretty decent, to be honest. NVAX, I managed to short a few at 10,000 at 76. I added to my 16th position. I'm just covering a few INO every like 50 cents. Wait, this is a big move. Oh, okay. I need to cover all of those ads, I think. This is a big move. Okay, so I'm down to 53,000 shares of INO now. INO was almost a perfect example. If it just had opened up a little bit higher and hung around there, I was too slow to short it. I was too slow. And, you know, I should have shorted 50,000 shares as soon as it went red, but it's just so fast, and yeah. I'm not super fast, what can I say? Yeah, I am getting old. I need an assistant, that's what I need. I need a trading assistant. I really do. I need an algo that helps me out. The VXRT is open now. Nicola, if you look at this Nicola chart real quick, guys, look at how perfectly it's riding this rising 20 EMA on the 60-minute chart. It keeps tapping that, but it can't break below. So as long as it can hold above this and build higher lows, I think this thing is gonna squeeze to 100 plus. I may even add to it. This thing looks so clean. This is a very linear chart. I will add another 10-15,000 shares to Nicola if it starts breaking out. NVAX, I covered some of the ads. Oh, fast. No, sorry, VXRT. God damn it, I was looking to short it and then it tanked 70 cents. Almost $1. EXO is hitting new highs and it's halted. Yeah, Fastly has a reversal for now. It could be a reshort on Fastly, to be honest. I'm gonna watch it for later in the day. If I can find a tight range on Fastly, I will reshort it. Guys, I am magic. I've just been talking about INO the whole morning. I'm not gonna repeat everything I said. Exactly, I just yelled at it for like 30 minutes straight. Ah, god damn, I missed the VXRT entry. I mean, guys, I'm so off my game. I haven't shorted these things in a couple of weeks. I don't remember how you do it. What the fuck? I feel like a 60-year-old right now. What What the fuck am I doing? Mother, you have to be so fast. I mean, look at this now. I was gonna short it at 1350 and it went to 1250 in like 2 seconds. How the hell do you short? I mean, how do you trade anything like that? Totally impossible. Oh, great. Now my cat is vomiting all over the floor. Are you kidding me? Really? Jesus Christ. Oh, come on. Oh, man. I don't want to deal with it right now. Oh, the fuck. You can't make this up. You can't make this up. Take the day off? Dude, I'm having a great day. I'm just pissed I'm not up a million more than I am up. I'm definitely not gonna take the day off. There's so much opportunity today. I think we're gonna get secondary ranges on INO, NVAX, VXRT. There will be more opportunities. I just missed the perfect entries. That's what I'm annoyed at. But there will be more opportunity. It's gonna be $1 million day. I have no doubt. Your cat shit on the floor? Oh, my cat has never done that. Never. But he vomits like once per week. Okay, NVAX, I'm gonna use the highs of the day as my stop on everything now, including the ads and yesterday's short. But yeah, if I still had those 20,000 shares I covered before the close yesterday, why did it have to close? Why couldn't it close $2 lower? Super annoying. Fastly is definitely something I'm watching for a reversal. Like this is kind of a setup where you can risk $3 to make 20 or 15, 20. But I'm gonna watch it for later. Okay, VXRT is bouncing a little bit now. That's good. INO is bouncing. That's good also. Now I'm looking for second, like the first red 5-minute candle. That's what I'm looking at. First red 5-minute candle, and then a break to the downside of that candle. I think both of these VXRT and INO, no sorry, NVAX and INO have more downside over the next few sessions. Too bad it's Friday, but. Spotify, no. I was actually watching it for a short, but it needs to go up another day or two. With this week open, I don't see an edge here. It can work, but it's only gonna work if the market goes down. I don't see a big edge there. It's not extended enough, in my opinion. Thank you for what? For pointing out obvious short setups? Guys, this is the easiest setup to trade. It really is. Oh, VXRT. Are you kidding me? Oh, please bounce now. I'm teaching you guys to trade the easiest setup, the most obvious setup in the whole stock market. The most profitable day trading setup. It really is. But damn, you have to be so fast. I forgot how fast you have to be. I'm getting rusty. Yeah, GAN is getting closer. I'm watching GAN. It's just super thin. Oh, what is the CTXR? Is it also a COVID-19 related play? Oh my god, VXRT. What the fuck am I doing? I'm off my game. Well, the question is not what the fuck am I doing, what the fuck am I not doing? I'm not shorting VXRT, that's what I'm not doing. Ah. Well, I guess I'll just have to manage my long positions then. I have to tend to my garden. This right here. INO, VXRT, NVAX. The parabolic short setup. Go to my Twitter, look at the pinned tweet. I have a whole video about it. What's SHLL? Wait. Oh, yeah, this one I'm actually looking for a potential long later. What's the volume so far? Oh, it's gonna trade 10 million easily. Okay. Okay. Right now it's getting rejected at VWAP. Okay, let's see if VXRT can get rejected at VWAP. SRNE, I don't even remember this SRN. No, I still have it. You've been telling me about SHLL? Really? I don't remember. He was screaming at me? Well, he's always talking so much bullshit, so I don't even know what's legit and what's not anymore. It must have gotten lost between all of his bullshitting. So you mean David's bullshitting actually cost me opportunity? So you mean I would actually be richer right now if David wasn't bullshitting this much? No, DraftKings? Nah, it's you know, I'm just randomly moving on the 60-minute chart. It's about break even soon. You know, I'm just trying to trail these moving averages that are turning down on the 60-minute chart. Yeah, permaban coming. Once I figure out how to issue bans, there's a permaban coming. Wasn't David? I don't know about that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, he's gonna have too much power if I make him the... I was thinking about doing it as a punishment, but he's gonna have too much power and he's gonna abuse it. I know he's gonna abuse his power. He only goes after me, I know. Why? Level 2 is a waste of time. Unless you trade like pink sheet stocks and these micro cap pumps, then you can get a little bit of an edge. But you know, on these large and mid cap, like these, you know, real stocks, there's absolutely no edge in the level 2. It's just a waste of time. Yeah, wow, 101 people in chat. Nice. Every time I mention the word million in my tweets, that's when I get these spikes. That's what draws people. But I'm only up 400k on the day, so I guess a lot of people are gonna be disappointed when they see I'm not making a million today. Maybe I will. Come on, INO, go to 10 today. Yeah, INO is gonna provide the million I need to refill my self-esteem. Albertson's IPO. I don't think there is anything cheap as a debt-driven grocery conglomerate. I don't know if anything like that can even be cheap. You said it itself. They're debt-ridden. Those companies, they're not even cheap at zero. Just ask Hertz. Steam description and what you trade with. Wait. Necron, what do you mean? Can you explain that? Steam description and what you trade with, you will see this double. I don't understand. Can you explain that, Necron 192? Who's Stan livestream spot? Guys, I don't understand. What the fuck you're writing? Come on. What the hell is a Stan livestream spot? I don't know what these things are. Guys, you're confusing me. I don't know what the hell you're talking about. Oh, you mean like that? Oh, okay, yeah, okay. You spilled coffee? Oh man, that sucks. NVAX may have a ad spot coming up. I want to see how this 5-minute candle form. There's some insane setups setting up. Like bull flag type of setups. SC is still building higher lows, but it could also be like a bear flag. We don't know yet. We don't know yet. Net looking good. Yeah, I should probably do short. Yeah, I'm gonna change my stream description. Shorting INO and VXRT and NVAX. $1 million day coming? Question mark. That will get people in the chat. Oh, come on, I misspelled. Market rule number 1, exactly. Damn, don't tell me I missed another entry on VXRT. No, I didn't. Not yet. If both NVAX and INO can bounce a little bit more to the declining 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart, I would love to see them both there, and then get a short off those levels. Wanna see me making 1 million shorting XYZ coming to stream? Oh yeah, that's gonna get people in. But I'm so bad at being promotional. I'm like the worst promotion, like a worst salesman ever. For those who are new on the stream, go to my Twitter account, which is the same as my Twitch handle, and look at the 2 videos in the pinned tweet to understand my methodology and process. Have David promote for me? Yeah. He has the bullshitter personality. He can bullshit people in here. I think that's a great idea. David, you're gonna start promoting my channel. Say hi to William. Hi, William. I mean, David is getting people in here. He's getting all his friends in here. He's gonna get all his friends in here, and then they're gonna overthrow me and take over the channel. That's his plan. David needs 22 to do that. My methodology video is unorganized. No way. It is a little bit unorganized. Okay, it is a little bit unorganized. Just slightly. But it's because I wasn't prepared at all. I was like, because I've been promising a video for a long time. And then just one day, like 40 minutes before the market opened, I'm like, okay, let's get it done. So I was unorganized, I was stressed out. I realized I had to eat before the market opens. So it was like the worst conditions ever. But the next video, it's gonna be very organized. I'm gonna have, you know, like this 15, 20 bullet points I'm gonna like go through, like in the correct order. And I'm gonna have, it's gonna be like a 2-hour video. Nah, maybe not 2 hours. I'd rather shoot myself in the head than talk for 2 hours straight. No thanks. Maybe an hour and a half. You're looking forward for me to shooting myself in the head? What the fuck is wrong with you guys? Will be cool to watch? You want me to stream when I shoot myself in the head? Oh, come on, you guys are evil. Oh, okay, you mean that. I love you, don't die. Okay, thank you. You can't shoot anything till I make my millions. Exactly, that's all you guys care about. You wanna squeeze all the information out of me, and then when you have it, then you won't care about me anymore. You guys are so evil. Sometimes love is pain. When I make you gotta buy me a Lambo for your first million? That's really sweet. But do you know, if you buy me a Lambo for your first million, you won't have a million anymore. Necron. I didn't say new. You're gonna buy me a toy Lambo. You hang a picture of me over the fireplace? Nice. Oh my, I love my stream. It's a love-hate relationship. Exactly. Oh my god, I was still. Oh my god. I missed. I missed it again. Oh god. I missed 3 entries on VXRT. You can't make this up. What the hell is going on here? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am so bad. Oh my god. I'm so slow. And now it's gonna go back to $8. It's gonna go to $8 today. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I just focus on INO and NVAX. Those things are a bit slower. Are you crying? Well, I'm actually crying out of frustration. My eyes are a little bit wet because, you know, oh my god, I can't look at this thing anymore. This VXRT. Oh my god. I missed 3 entries on it. How? It's not even possible. Ugh. Okay, I know I'm gonna short more right here. No, not right here. Nah, it looks like it feels like a trap. What about NVAX? It's building the first. Nah, I have to wait for this candle to finish. Oh, VXRT. Are you bag holders or are we bag holders? Yeah, the Momo looks to be over. Yeah. Looks like we are bag holders. Wait, VXRT got downside halt, really? I don't want to look at VXRT. Yeah. Man. Unbelievable how badly I... Okay, NVAX is building the... Okay, whatever. You know what? I'm shorting another 10,000 of NVAX right here. Looks like it's building a red 5-minute candle here. What about INO? Oh, I missed entry on it. Come on. Really? I'm gonna try to, if it pops a little bit, I'm gonna try to get it on a pop. INO. I'm gonna try to get 50,000 shares or so. 40. For parabolic shorts, I don't watch the weekly chart. I am a loser, David. I'm losing profits. I'm losing money I never had. I was so excited coming into the day. And then all these things started gapping down, and then I started messing up VXRT. Exactly. Blame the cat. If everything else fails, blame the cat. Because they can't argue against you. I don't like this Nikola. It's weakening. I don't like that. Wow, everything is going red right now. Looks like I may size down a bit more on my longs. mRNA is actually setting up as a short if it loses the 50-day. Not today, but for next week. Things are getting weaker. Oh wait, INO is not even my positions list. That's bad. Okay, I got filled on another 40,000 shares of INO. Oh, AHPI, I just took a $41,000 loss on this thing. Didn't get the juice I wanted. Oh. Oh my god, I had to chase this thing down a little bit. Okay, whatever. It is what it is. Workhorse had a good short. Oh, wait. What? It's back. Oh, you know what? It could be a short here. It's actually a very good setup right here. Is it easy to borrow? If it's easy to borrow, I'm gonna short it. Otherwise, I'm not gonna. No, I'm not gonna short it. Whatever. It looks good. It looks good. Right here, like it looks good with this like 920 area stop. Wow, everything in my okay, everything is selling off right now. That's not a good sign. This is we haven't seen this kind of selling in a while. I may add to INO short later. Yeah, it feels like I'm gonna get stopped out of or sized down on a bunch of things today. Because we are really starting to see some selling. Because pretty much everything is red today in my portfolio. Haven't seen that in a couple of months because there's always been, you know, on pullback days, even on pullback days, a lot of my stocks have been green or break even, but now it's not even a big pullback today in the indices, and pretty much everything is red. That's not a good sign, guys. This is a warning sign. The good times are probably over for now. The past 3 months have been an insane run for me, and I know also for a lot of you guys, but this is not good. Yeah, this is TC2000. Is your name really Dildo Engineer? Oh, hey, Dildo Engineer, this is TC2000. No? But it says Dildo Engineer. I mean not your real name, of course. Your handle. First I thought it's a Dido Engineer, but it is Dildo Engineer. Okay, I'm short almost 100,000 shares of INO right now. No, I'm trading off a center point, but you can't see those windows right here because those are on another computer. What you see is TC2000. What's Genius doing? Oh wow, Robin Hooders are getting shelled. Man, I wonder if the selling, if we get a few weeks of selling, I bet half of the Robin Hooders are gonna go bankrupt. I mean, really. Okay, Fastly's finally. You know what? Okay, Fastly. I'm trying to short some Fastly here. Okay, I have 20,000 Fastly short. I chased a little bit, but it's fine. I think the way I see it, let's see, I'm risking what? $3 to make 20, 15, 20. That's the way I see it. $3 to make 15 to 20. Yeah, we're getting some real selling here in a way we haven't gotten in a while. I think the good times may be over for now. Damn, Nicola. Okay, Nicola, I'm gonna size down on this thing. I'm gonna take the proactive approach here. I'm gonna sell about 60% of my Nicola. Billy, Lungo. Most stocks, they do look good in the way they're still above the 10 and 20-day moving averages, but I'm just, you know, trying to play defense here. Because it is breaking down below this rising 20 EMA for now. It's a liquid name. It's easy to get back, but I've sold. I had 35,000 shares and I sold 20. So I have. No, sorry, I sold 15 so far. Okay, now I'm out. I only have 15,000 shares of Nicola. I need to sell some before I'm, you know, because I'm still green on it. I don't wanna turn this into losing trade. Yeah. Nah, no, I don't use the same parameters on scans like I did a few years ago. No. I mainly use higher volume criteria. Like on those scans, I think I use like 15, 20 million in minimum volume. Nowadays I use 60 million in minimum volume. Okay, INO is holding VWAP so far. That's not great. But below that 27.10 area, later I may add more to my short on INO. I'm gonna add another 30, 40,000 shares. I have 120,000 shares located, so I'm probably gonna use all of that and maybe even locate more. I believe INO goes back to like 20 bucks in the next few sessions. And NVAX I think goes lower to low 60s or something. Damn it, looks like I chased a little bit on Fastly. Well, I know I chased, but that's fine. I think the risk reward is very intriguing here. So Nicola is trying to bounce off the rising 10-day. We'll see if they actually manage to do it or not. Okay, I got stopped out of my last, let's see, my last 120,000 shares of SRNE. That was a nice trade. Went up, I bought it like 497 or 498 or something like that, and this thing went up 45% in a couple of sessions. That was a pretty sweet trade, but I'm out now. What's this HTBX? Oh, it's a COVID-19 name. Chasing the shittiest of the shitty stocks. Oh, funny thing, I still have an order to short 50,000 shares VXRT at 13. Yeah. Yeah, Nikola, yeah, Nikola will be a great short eventually. I just wanted it to go to $100 first, but it wasn't short. Oh, now it's shortable. Nice, because I tried to look at shares like 4 or 5 days ago, 6 days ago. There were no shares, but it's shortable now. Interesting. Expensive, but not as expensive as it was a couple of months, like a month ago or 3 weeks ago, when I shorted the parabol. Oh, INO and NVAX. Now they're bouncing back, all of those things. What's Workhorse doing? Workhorse is holding so far. Maybe it wants to go higher. I got stopped out of all of my shares in the 850s yesterday. After they started the presentation, this thing sold off a little bit. Classic sell the... Oh, Fastly! Oh no! I'm gonna take a big loss on it. Oh, I shouldn't have chased that thing. I got too excited. I saw everything going down. I'm like, oh my god, the world is gonna end. Damn it. Amateur move, I guess. Amateur move. Maybe I should have done smaller size. Alpha, do you want to blow up? Why would you ever add to a losing trade? You do not ever add to a losing trade. That's how you blow up. Well, I know it depends if you look at the, if you include the pre-market data or not. The VWAP is at different places depending on if you include the pre-market data or not. That's why, Dean. No, it doesn't mean anything if Workhorse trades its own float. There's a lot of stocks that do that nowadays, like daily. Doesn't really mean anything. Sometimes they go up, sometimes they go lower. Wait for a setup. If Workhorse can go sideways here for a few more days, build a little bit of a flag, that could be a long setup here. I wonder why Fastly is so strong. Like all my other stocks are trying to fade a little bit, but Fastly quickly bounced, like really quickly, right after my entry. Guys, I'm gonna go take a shower. I'm gonna be back in like 10 minutes. I'm gonna go to a thing soon, so A good idea? Fuck you! What do you mean good idea? What do you mean good idea? Are you implying I'm smelling stinky? Fucking assholes. My chat hates me. You're the worst chat ever. Stinky. Who the hell do you call stinky? I'm trying to help you. You're just bullying me, all of you. Smelling like... Oh yeah, the cat puke. I forgot about it. Okay, first I'm gonna clean up the cat vomit, and then I'm gonna go take a shower. Thanks for reminding me, Shad86. Okay, see ya in, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. Guys, can you hear me? All right. Looks like the most of the growth stocks are still holding the moving or the rising 10-day moving averages. Okay, Nikola stopped me out of my last shares now. I am all out of Nikola. It's probably gonna be a good short setup for next week, but for now I am done with it. I know I'm actively looking for a re-entry spot. Looks like NVAX is gonna stop me out also. Fuck these things. What about INO? Yeah, I'm surprised LK hasn't been delisted. They should have delisted it months ago. I know I'm gonna look for the first red 5-minute candle, the usual stuff. To re-add, I'm gonna add more this time around. Just waiting for the entry on this thing. And NVAX is gonna stop me out. That is super annoying. Okay. So now I only have my overnight from NVAX left, the 10,000 shares. These things are so strong. And this is what annoys me when they don't open, like gap up a lot. Because these things are not as likely when they gap up a lot. But when they gap down or don't gap up a lot, they can be much more choppy. Okay, looks like the market found a bid fastly. I'm gonna get stopped out, take a fat loss. Nah, I'm not gonna take a fat loss, but I'm gonna take a decent loss. Okay, INO, I'm watching for re-entry actively here. INO is now on the rising 65 EMA on this 5-minute chart. I took a small starter here, 30,000 shares. NVAX went to 7? No, I covered on NVAX. I covered most of my intraday ads on NVAX. And then I re-added, but then, oh, okay, and wow, these things are so strong. Of course I covered into the flush. Man, INO, I went from being up 300k good to being down 36k. I love it. Wow. I did not see this coming. I did not. I would have never thought this thing would come all the way back. I did not see this coming. What the fuck? Oh, come on. Really? What the actual fuck? That's slightly annoying. Yes, my profit taking is different on the short side. I'm much more aggressive with profit taking because of numbers. It's just a numbers game. On the long side, it's, you know, the stock can easily go up 100, 200% over a period of time, but on the short side, it's very unlikely a stock is gonna go down more than 100%. It's just math. Oh wow, okay, this is actually good. This is good. Look, I hope this thing goes to 40 today. What? Robin Hooders. Oh yeah, okay. So I went from being up 300k on INO to just taking like a $90,000 loss. I'm all covered on INO now. Holy shit. Okay. If that's how they want to play it. OPK is going. This is a bit interesting, but I don't know. Ugh, it's thin, super thin. I'm gonna pass on it. We buying? Nah, not me. I am not buying INO. Absolutely not. Okay, that is not what I expected. Holy shit, this is great. Holy shit, we're gonna get an insane opportunity next week. Especially if this thing can extend to 45, 50 something. I just wish I had covered a bit more, okay? I wish I had covered a bit more in, you know, 25s, 26s, whatever. But, you know, I just felt I didn't have enough size, so I needed a big move, so I was very cautious with the covers. You know, that's what happens sometimes. Okay, fastly I'm gonna get stopped out too. NVAX, well, I did lower my stop on that one. Okay, this is for the best, and I don't have to watch as many things when I go to the event I'm going to. PYPD, what is this? Here. Workhorse still, I wouldn't be surprised if Workhorse goes like $8 today. It's been building lower highs all day. INO, now I am, oh wait, it's, okay, INO. Nah, I'm gonna trade it off the 60-minute chart from now on, this INO. If I don't see it on the 60-minute chart, I don't see it. Okay, fastly, I'm done with it. It's too strong. This thing wants to go to 100. It's way too strong. And everything else I have looks pretty good. My longs are really the best of the best. They're holding, all of them are holding above the rising 10-day. And now, like, let INO do its thing. It could easily fade back to like, mid-20s today. But I'm gonna leave it alone. NVAX 2. Wow, these things looks like they want to go much higher. Okay, anywho, I need to eat and I'm gonna go to my event. So thanks for joining. Is it Friday? Yeah, it's Friday. Okay, thanks for joining. We had a great week. Today was a little bit frustrating, but overall it was a pretty good week. Thanks for joining and hope you all have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday.